Hello, everybody. How are you? One fine night, I had an amazing dream. In my dream, I went to the Wonderland, or I may say the Witchy Land. There live so many witches: Wooty, Witty, Wompy, Scratchy, and many more. They were all very sweet and humble. They had fun casting magic. Indo, Tindo, what do you see in my window? Sweet and round, juicy, yummy. Oh, what I found! That's a watermelon. That's not good enough, Wooty. Look what I have got here. Fill, 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 pull, pull, pull. A bucket full of water from the well. Oh, that's okay, but mine is much better than yours, Witty. Knit it up, knit it down. Make a sweater from the wool, and its color is brown. Hi, my name is Scratchy. I am the youngest, but my magic is the best. Watch out, Wompy. Whistle, whistle, whistle. I can see a big tail. It dives in and out. Oh, it's a whale. Oh, wait, all of you. My magic is way more refined and polished than you all. Oh, they forgot to introduce me. I am the biggest and the oldest witch. My name is Wandy. Here's my magic. Winter is here. The weather is cold. All the warm jackets have been sold. Oh my God, what a dream it was. Friends, did you notice that in my dream there were many words which started with letter W? W, and its sound is W. W. It's time now to recall all the words with W sound. W, witch. W, watermelon. W, window. W, wonderland. W, well. W, wool. W, water. W, whistle. W, whale. W, winter. W, wall. W, wave. W, whisper. W, wet. W, worm. W, watch. W, world. W, wheat. W, wheel. W, wind. So friends, it's now your turn to find more words with letter W. Bye-bye.